In the heart of the forge, the fires burn low, the anvil echoes with the rhythm of precision, and the hammer rings out the melody of progress. Here, a client reporting system hums, a testament to the power of AI that pulls live data and writes the summary. This is not a replacement for human intuition or personal touch, but a tool that frees you from the shackles of repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on the craft itself. This is what we are going to build. The client reporting process is a crucible that forges the relationship between service provider and client. But it's also a gauntlet, a recurring ordeal that consumes hours each week, draining resources and dulling the edge of productivity. A single report can take up to 4 hours to compile, costing businesses thousands of dollars per month in labor. The common solution, manual reporting, is a sword forged in haste, its blade brittle and unfit for the task. It lacks the precision to handle the volume of data and the complexity of format, resulting in errors and inconsistencies that can damage the trust and reputation built over time. To forge this tool, we will need a mix of materials, each with its unique properties and purpose. First, a robust programming language, Python 3.8. Its extensive libraries and community support make it an ideal choice for data manipulation and machine learning tasks. Next, you will need a powerful machine learning library, TensorFlow 2.5. Its flexibility and scalability make it the perfect choice for handling complex data sets and implementing advanced AI models. For data extraction, we will use Beautiful Soup 4.89. Its ability to parse HTML and XML documents makes it the best tool for the job. To handle the client's specific APIs, we will use their respective libraries. Finally, we will use Google Drive API for secure and efficient storage and sharing of the reports. Each of these tools was chosen over alternatives based on factors such as community support, ease of use, and specific functionality. The build process begins with setting up the environment, installing the necessary libraries, and configuring access to the client's APIs. Next, we will write a script that extracts the live data from the APIs. This will involve making requests, parsing the responses, and cleaning the data. Once the data is clean, we will train a machine learning model to understand the structure of the report and the format in which the data should be presented. This will involve feeding the model sample reports and allowing it to learn the patterns. After the model is trained, we will integrate it into the main script, which will use it to write the report. The finished script will save the report to Google Drive, ready to be shared with the client. During the build, we encountered an issue with the API rate limits. To resolve this, we implemented a system that waits between requests, ensuring that we stay within the limits and maintain the integrity of the data. To stress test the system, we subjected it to a barrage of data, pushing it to its limits and beyond. We found that it handled the load admirably, churning out reports with remarkable efficiency and accuracy. However, we did find a few edge cases that required adjustments. For example, there were instances where the data contained errors that the model had not been trained to handle. To address this, we added a system for handling errors gracefully, ensuring that the report remains readable even in the face of unexpected data. The finished system produces a client report that is accurate, timely, and professional. It replaces the laborious manual process, freeing up valuable time and resources for more important tasks. The system is capable of handling multiple clients simultaneously, making it a scalable solution for businesses of all sizes. Now, go forth and forge your own systems. Automate the mundane and let the fires of creativity burn bright. The forge awaits.